almost, probably more than half of our people were involved in agriculture. They didn't own land. They worked for somebody else, but all of them craved a piece of land. And they were somewhat involved either in growing or marketing or whatever in agriculture. Now we had to sign up, each of us, for an insurance policy that we paid, taken out of our pay, $650 a month. You got killed, your folks got $10,000. And I used to tell the guys, and I told my parents, if I get killed, you buy a piece of land. And a lot of the other boys started doing the same thing. Now, it became a joke because I kept telling people this so very much. We'd go into some combat, we'd come out, and a bunch of guys had been killed, and you'd sit around and critique it and talk about what happened and why it couldn't have happened differently. Somebody'd say, where's so-and-so? Oh, he bought the farm. It got to be a joke. And you'll hear that today. Some of the guys will talk about that. Well, why not? At that time, you could buy 50 acres for $1,000, from $1,000 to $500, depending where it was. You could buy a nice piece of land for $5,000, 50 acres. You could buy a new Ford tractor on rubber for about $450. You could buy a cultivator and a planter for another couple hundred. You could live through the winter if winter was coming. You could plant a crop and still have enough to live till that crop came in on that $10,000, believe it or not.